Completely renovated 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with fresh and modern upgrades and finishes, plus a fully fenced spacious backyard for your family to enjoy. The smartly designed interior offers a split bedroom floor plan, easy care plank tile throughout, 2 living areas plus a light and bright kitchen with contemporary wood cabinets, stainless appliances, designer backsplash and breakfast bar. This spacious master suite fits a king-sized bed with no trouble, has an ensuite bath with dual sinks and a tiled walk-in shower. Other great features include crown molding, a neutral color palette, dry bar and wine refrigerator, interior laundry room, and everything has been replaced in the last few years: roof, AC, air ducts, lighting and landscape. A true move-in ready home in a super convenient location, west of the trail, in the Sapphire Shores Museum area. There is no cookie-cutter feel here, lots of nature, cultural activities, and is just minutes away from everything Sarasota. Sarasota Bayfront, museums, theaters, colleges, downtown Sarasota, UTC Mall and more.